Start.
Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, an English teacher from Khajuraho, India. Today I am going to teach you symbols, international phonetic symbol. Study of branch is phonetics, phonetic symbols. In international phonetic alphabet, in international phonetic alphabet, abbreviation is IPA, international phonetic alphabet. There are vowel sounds. Number 2, consonant sound. Number 3, diphthong. As we know, English is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. Near about 60% people speak wrong pronunciation. So we have to adopt received pronunciation. Abbreviation is RP. R for received, P for pronunciation. That's why the study of phonology or the study of phonetics is very necessary to the students who are learning English correctly. So that's why today I am going to teach you phonetic symbol. So first of all, I will take vowel symbol. Vowel. Number one. A, E, I, O, and number 5, U. All those A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels, but 6. This is in Hindi A. This. In Hindi O. This symbol is called slashes. So we have to write symbols inside slashes. Yeah. In Hindi, A, phonetic transcription of word. Here, this symbol must be used like this. This is transcription, phonetics transcription. If you want to denote C for consonant, B for vowel, and C for consonant. C for vowel, C for consonant, sorry, V for vowel and consonant. This is syllable structure. And VK. VK. So these were 14 symbols of vowel. Now consonants. Consonants. B. Example is this one. The structure will be C, V, C. C for K. Third, D. E, no. Then F. Fish. You can write fish like this. This symbol is for SH. G. H. L, M, N, P, R. Pronounced, not pronounced. Then S, T, V, W. Z, DZ. Example is Zuz. Theta. You know, in mathematics, theta is used. It is symbol of TH in Hindi, tha. Thin. TH, like TH, da. This. This symbol, like integral in mathematics, SH in Hindi, sa. SHIP, say. CH, cha. church. Same. 24. One is missing. I repeat again. B K D F G H K L M N. You count please, students. M N P R S T V. How many? W Y Z D Z decimal S H cha theta tau and NG. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All are here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are 24. One is missing, that was U. Why? Earlier I have told you ZU. ZU. So in this way, 24 consonantal symbol. Now, diphthongs. DI, PH, TH, ONGS. 2. Centering and closing. Centering diphthong and closing diphthong. Diphthongs are two vowels jointly as one, but they are counted as one. Centering diphthong and closing diphthong. So what is centering diphthong? I, A, U, A, E, A. This is center A. Next, closing diphthong. These are 3 in number. These are 5 in number. AI, AU, OI, OU, and EI. So these are centering diphthong and these are closing diphthongs. Now, graphical representation of the tongue diagram. I will tell you. Make diagram this. This is tongue, your tongue, and you know mouth is already an apparatus for speaking any language. Here, front part of the tongue, middle part of the tongue, back part of the tongue. Here U, and here E. These are centering diphthong. I, A, U, A. You see A here, and E A. Here E A. These are centering diphthong. Why they are centering diphthong? Because they are meeting at center A. That's why centering diphthong. Now second, closing diphthong. Graphical representation of the tongue. Tongue is the most flexible part of the body. Front part of the tongue, middle part of the tongue, back part of the tongue, and here I, here I, U, here U, here OI, like this. It tends to here I, and U, O, U. Here clearly I write down O, O, U, O, U, and E, I. Here. So today I have given you a very basic knowledge of phonetic symbols. Thanks.